Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem and Karkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim scattered through the four corners of the globe preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. Shalom to the Aquaf sisters as well too. Say shalom, and the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Ba'Hashem. In the name of Hamashiach Yahushua, those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kodash, the Holy Tongue. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out from the Jerusalem Post, published by Reuters as of October the 23rd, 2023, and it reads, and keep this in mind, I would say like a couple of days ago, like the United States that's stationed over there in Syria and Iraq was almost close to getting hit by drone strikes and missile strikes as well too. And I believe the United States had intercepted that, or their allies as well too. So keep that in mind as well too. And I believe the United States recently deployed more military weaponry over there in that area. I'll say like day before yesterday, because I remember I did a sit-down lesson on that as well too. So amending the ongoing tensions that's increasing over there in the Middle East. So keep that in mind as well too. I just want to add an additional note to that. But this is a news article and it reads, U.S. troops in Syria targeted by drones, according to officials. The U.S. troops in Syria were targeted by drones, but there were no injuries, two U.S. officials said on Monday, the latest in a series of attacks against U.S. forces in the Middle East. It says the official speaking on the condition of the anomaly said the attack took place in the Al-Tanif base near Syria's border with Iran and Jordan. Bring up that Matthew 24 and verse 6, and ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that you be not troubled, for all these things must first come to pass, but the end is not yet. Matthew 24 and verse 7, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, once again, hopefully this lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the JerusalemPost.com by Reuters, published October the 23rd, 2023, and it reads again, U.S. troops in Syria targeted by drones, according to officials. So with that, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem and Karkadash. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and the name of Hamashiach Yahushua. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kodash, the Holy Tongue. And shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.